On a hilltop, you're on a hilltop.
Thank you. Hello, how are you?
Farm tour.
Yes, farm tour. So it's a farm tour. And drink, tasting with the fruits, tour guide. Oh, there you go. How long will it take to see this farm?
30 minutes until 1 hour.
Okay, that's fine. We'll like to see then. People farm is here.
Pepper farm here.
Is here. Oh, and your brother? He makes a coffee farm or something like that.
Farm, no, not in Quoc. Brother, he moved from here to the island near Dalat. You know Dalat?
Dalat, yeah, I heard.
So it's a higher 1,600 meter.
From here.
Compare
With here.
the highland is compared with the sea. The sea, the highland, 1,600 meter. It's in the mountain.
Mountain, okay. Good.
It's good to roll coffee. Yeah. And this
What?
is called barbecue sauce. Actually, we
Barbecue.
yeah. I make from mix. This one, pepper, chili, garlic. Yeah. So it's barbecue. So you can open, try. Yes.
Okay.
Smell. Yeah.
Smell, yeah? Alright, we'll try. This is barbecue
Sauce. Yeah.
barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. It's like kind of a spice powder.
And this is pepper cooked with phuquoc fish sauce.
Sorry, pardon?
Pepper cooked with phuquoc fish sauce.
Pork fish sauce.
Yeah, pepper and fish sauce.
Fish.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't eat fish.
Don't eat fish, yeah?
Oh, we are fully vegetarian.
Yeah. So
We don't eat meat.
yeah, forget
Nah, it's not for us. This sauce is made of fish,
pepper
and
we cook
Kick.
and we
add what?
fish sauce.
Fish sauce. Fish sauce also
You know
go away.
fish sauce, yeah?
Fish.
Yeah. Vietnamese nước mắm.
Oh yeah, alright.
This
Wait.
is made from sea sauce, level sea sauce, level anchovy fish, level sea sauce.
Okay.
Yeah, so many.
Alright.
They have wooden tank around 7 tons. So they are popular in Phuquoc also. It's near Dung Dong River.
Dundong River.
Yeah.
What is it famous?
They have many factory there.
Factory for
Fish sauce.
fish sauce. Okay.
So forget it. Yeah.
This is full of vegetarian.
Yeah. It's,
Fully vegetarian, yeah?
yeah.
Not fish or not any kind of
only
meat.
This one. Yeah, only this one. Yeah. I put
Separate.
separate. Yes.
Okay, and
other-
all of these is a vegetarian one.
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you.
So many things here. You.
Oh, yeah. There's a old-
Yeah. Pepper tea, ginger tea, some tea. Yeah, tea.
Barbecue salt. Okay.
Ginger tea.
Ginger tea?
No. It's a
Oh, this is a cinnamon honey.
Yeah, for tea.
Okay, for tea.
Yeah.
All right, that's perfect.
Honey, you don't use honey also?
Yeah, we eat honey here. Honey is okay.
Yeah. So,
Pepper tea. All right.
pepper tea, cinnamon tea,
All right, perfect.
ginger tea. So we have three kind of tea. Yeah. 3 kind of tea. Yeah. Also we roll
As a ginger tea.
ginger here.
Is it to add in tea?
Ginger here. Is a tea. This is also tea. Yes. And other for seasoning for cooking. Bless you. Yes.
You can choose any one of them
From 1
in this tour.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8.
Okay, 1 to 8, right? Oh, which one would you like? Banana smoothies?
Yeah.
Banana smoothies we would like to have.
You don't choose the one you never try?
You never try. What is it? Robusta coffee?
Yeah, it's a coffee.
Okay, is it like made of what? Is it made of milk or is it made of water?
It's up to you. want milk? You want ice?
Can you make that one with milk?
Without milk?
Milk.
Milk.
Little milk, not that much milk. Can I see? Oh, that's fine. So यहाँ पे ये भाई हमारे लिए बनाना स्मूथीज बना रहे हैं और हमने एक ऑर्डर किया हुआ है रोबस्टा कॉफ़ी. ये हमारी whenever we do tour, you get a welcome drink over here from here. Because my fans are watching you, my friends watching you.
Yeah, last time was some Indian. Yeah.
Okay.
They make tour also.
All right, that's
They
perfect.
organize, now they have a direct flight from India to Phuquoc,
Okay, good.
and some of them is like travel agency, and they came and they also not sometimes it's some travel agency.
Agency, yeah,
Yeah,
travel agency, yeah. They do
Indian,
travel.
yeah, Indian, yeah.
Okay,
And they came.
okay.
They're all from the farm.
Oh, these are old bananas from the farm. Oh yeah, have a look. How small the banana is.
Almost juice in the farm.
कितने छोटे bananas है यार. It's like chiku. ये banana chiku की तरह लग रहा है. It's like very small bananas there. Wow. ये भाई हमारे लिए banana smoothies बना रहा है. Wow, just have a look. How's that one is going to be? और यहाँ पे हमारी रोबस्टा टी भी बन रही है विद मिल्क. यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर मैंने देखा हुआ है कि यहाँ का मिल्क होता है जो लिक्विड की तरह नहीं होता है. यहाँ का मिल्क एक हार्ड प्रोडक्ट होता है, सो उसको स्टोरेज किया गया होता है और यहाँ मार्केट में सेल होता है. तो यहाँ अपनी जो इंडिया में मिल्क मिलता है ऐसा मिल्क मिलना बहुत ही हार्ड है. सो यहाँ आओगे तो क्योंकि यहाँ का मिल्क ज़्यादातर बोलते हैं ना कि शुगर वाला भी बहुत मीठा भी बहुत होता है. और उसके साथ साथ ये भाई हमारे लिए स्मूथीज़ और कॉफ़ी बना रहा है. तो हम उसके साथ साथ यहाँ की एक टूर कर लेंगे किस तरह का यहाँ पे उन्होंने फार्म है. आई थिंक ये जॉस्मिन है और यहाँ पे उनकी प्रोडक्ट्स है जो यहाँ पे बेचते हैं. ये रहा कॉफ़ी. ये बोल रहे थे कि उनके भाई है, उनके भाई का एक फार्म है डालात के अंदर कॉफ़ी का. तो कॉफ़ी वहाँ से लाई गई हुई है. यहाँ बहुत सारी प्रोडक्ट्स है. ये पीपर उनका फार्म है पूरा पीपर का. सो ये सब प्रोडक्ट है. पीपर है, सॉल्ट है, बहुत ही तरह के पीपर्स की भी अलग अलग होते हैं. वाइट पीपर्स, मिक्स पीपर, रेड पीपर्स, चिली सॉल्ट. और ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पे फार्म करते हैं और यहाँ बेचते भी हैं. Pepper tree.
Different.
Okay,
This
okay,
is,
pepper tea.
This is normal pepper, cinnamon, honey,
Okay,
and other is long pepper.
okay. All right.
This is long pepper.
Okay, long pepper. Okay, all right,
Make
got you.
cheese.
Okay, you make a tea of these. Oh, that's fine. Let me try this pepper tea. You could be trying to give you a tea. Would like to try. How's that one? Oh my God. It's like kind of जैसे गर्म पानी में हमने पीपर डाल के पूरा उसको चबा लिया अंदर पेट में उतर रहा है. नहीं कच्ची पीपर खा रहा है ऐसा कुछ फील आ रहा है. बट ये कुछ पेट में जाने के बाद कोई अच्छी फीलिंग आ रही है. इट्स रियली मेक्स मी फील गुड. कभी ट्राई नहीं किया हुआ है बट ये पहली बार अच्छा लग रहा है. एनीवेज shows right. And that was a tea. Robusta tea.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Robusta coffee. Yeah.
Robusta coffee. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Robusta coffee, not tea. That's great. And that was a smoothie. And this is a jasmine.
We sell there.
Jasmine.
No.
What is this?
Blue bean flower.
Which flower?
Blue bean flower.
Blue bean.
If you see in the coffee shop, they put the name
Okay.
Butterfly tea.
Fly tea. Okay. So they make tea from this.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Blue bean flower. Blue bean.
Also over there, blue bean tea is from the flower.
Blue bean.
Number 5.
Oh yeah, blue bean tea. Yeah, this is blue bean. Oh wow. So guys, हम अभी ट्राई करने वाले रोबस्टा कॉफ़ी और ये बनाना स्मूदी तो डेफिनेटली हमें पता ही होगा किस तरह का उसका टेस्ट होता है, पर यहाँ कुछ अलग ही देखने को मिलने वाला है एडवेंचर.
It's very rich collagen. Collagen, that's why many lady.
Okay, is it good for? Oh really? Oh, that's true. So we're going to try this coffee and smoothies.